KLE. May this morning find you all well and in good spirits. I offer my respectful acknowledgement to esteemed chief guests, distinguished principal, valued dignitaries coming from different colleges, esteemed resource persons, respected faculty, and my beloved friends. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. It is indeed a privilege to see such a diverse and distinguished crowd gathered assembled here today at KLE. I am Deepika Tripathi, your host for today's event, and it is truly an honor to have such an esteemed assembly of individuals who play a pivotal role in today's workshop on cybersecurity, public policy, and law. In an age where our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, the significance of this topic cannot be overstated. From the protection of sensitive personal data to the safeguarding of critical infrastructure, cybersecurity has emerged as one of the most pressing challenges of our time. This workshop holds immense significance for all of us gathered here today. It offers a unique opportunity to delve into the intricate nexus of technology, policy, and law, equipping you with knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape. In a world where cybersecurity breaches have far-reaching implications, understanding the legal and regulatory frameworks governing cybersecurity is not just advantageous but also essential. As we embark on this workshop, let us seize this opportunity to exchange ideas, share knowledge, and collaborate towards finding innovative solutions to the pressing issues at hand. May our discussion be enlightening, our debates be constructive, and our interactions be fruitful. Once again, a very heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Let us make this gathering a memorable and enriching experience for all. And let's chart a course towards a safer, more secure digital future. Dr. Prasad MD, our beloved professor of political science and also today's event, the official welcome of our esteemed guests.
Delegates, scholars, and students. It is with great pleasure that we extend a warm welcome to each one of you to the one-day workshop on cybersecurity, public policy, and law, organized by KLE Law College, BENGALURU, in association with the Indian Institute of Public Administration, Karnataka Regional Branch. This collaborative effort aims to delve into the critical discussions surrounding the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, public policy, and in today's digital age, where technology permeates every aspect of our lives, ensuring with this rapid advancement in the technology come unprecedented challenges, ranging from cyber threats to data breaches, which necessitates a multidisciplinary approach for effective mitigation. Though through this workshop, we aspire to facilitate insightful deliberations on the intersectionality of cybersecurity, public policy, and law, and explore innovative strategies to tackle emerging cyber threats while upholding fundamental legal principles and public interest. With this introduction, I'd like to introduce today's dignitaries, and I'd like to welcome them. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Speaker, Organizing Committee Members, Delegates, students, and esteemed participants. On behalf of KLE Law College, BENGALURU, and the Indian Institute of Karnataka Regional Branch, it is indeed a privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you to this significant workshop on cybersecurity, public policy, and law. Today, we are honored to have among us who have dedicated their career guests, it is with a great honor and privilege to welcome our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. N.A. Salim, IPS, Director General Police, CID Special Units and Economic Offences, Karnataka. I invite Dr. Mahesh R.S., Assistant Professor of Law and Coordinator for KLE batches, to welcome sir with the assembly. I request Dr. Manoj Kumar to invite him with the assembly. It is an esteemed privilege to warmly welcome Dr. T.M. Vijay Bhaskar, a retired IAS officer, former Chief Secretary of Karnataka, as our distinguished chief guest for today's workshop. Mr. Bhaskar also serves as the chairman of IAPA Karnataka branch, which is the co-organizing institution of this workshop. Your wealth of experience and leadership in public administration enriches our discussions today. I invite Dr. Vishnu Professor to invite him to the assembly. I pleasure to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Krishna in his absence when he's on the way, and he is the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Economic Offences, Karnataka, and his presence will be there for within the maybe 2 to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I welcome in his absence, and also it is with great honor that I welcome Mr. Venkatesh Murthy, Senior Director of the Data Security Council of India, as a distinguished resource person for today's workshop. Your expertise in data security adds invaluable insights to our discussion, and we eagerly anticipate your contribution. I humbly invite Mr. Kavishankar, Assistant Professor of Law, to extend a warm welcome with a gesture by presenting sampling to Mr. Murthy. It is with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to a great psychologist, Professor Shailaja Shastri, in her absence. And she is also going to join with us in soon. And I welcome her. And also, I extend a warm welcome to Professor J. Mallikarjunia, Dean, Faculty of Law at KLE Technological University and Principal of KLE Law College, Bengaluru. Sir, your esteemed presence bases our workshop today, and your leadership and guidance will undoubtedly enrich our discussion and inspire all participants. Additionally, I humbly request you to accept the presidential chair of today's event. I request Mr. Chandrasekhar Randale. I request Mr. Bharat, Assistant Professor, to welcome you with a sound. I'm delighted to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Padma, Head of the Department and Associate Professor of Department of Political Science and Ghanaian Studies at National College of Bengaluru. Dr. Padma has brought forth an outstanding academic proposal for a memorandum of understanding with our college, signifying a mutual commitment to interdisciplinary collaboration and educational advancement. On behalf of KLE LCD, I extend a cordial welcome to ma'am. I kindly request Chandrasekhar Randale sir to welcome her with a sample. also take this opportunity to extend a welcome to Professor D. Jeevan Kumar in his absence, who is the actually master plan behind this event. He is going to join with us in full. I welcome him on behalf of the KLE Law College. And I would also like to welcome Dr. Anita M.J., our beloved Vice Principal and Head of the PD Department, and our Special Power, Dr. Manoj, IPSC and First Year Coordinator, for their continuous support in organizing this event. Finally, I urge all of us to actively participate, collaborate, and exchange throughout the workshop with the shared goal of advancing our collective understanding of cybersecurity, public policy, and legal framework. Before I forget, it's a very important that last but not least, to our esteemed delegates, research scholars from other institutions, and our KLE student champs and members of the knowledge community. Your participation and contributions are invaluable, and we look forward to engaging in a meaningful discussion and forming new connections. Thank you very much.
I kindly request all the dignitaries to join us on the stage for the inauguration of this workshop. As we come in with appreciation, I invite our esteemed dignitaries to participate in the traditional lighting of the lamps, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and ushering in of the knowledge and enlightenment. I would also like to call everyone to kindly join us.
First, it's a great honor that I like to welcome Mr. Vamshi Krishna, IPS Deputy Inspector General of Police, Economic Operations, Karnataka. Sir, your extensive expertise and expertise in law conferment bring invaluable insights to our workshop discussion, and we eagerly anticipate your contributions. Welcome you, sir, and I request Sri Lakshmi Narasimhappa to give a sapling and welcome. Once again, welcome you all.
I would like to extend an invitation to Dr. Anita Ma'am, our beloved Vice Principal, to come up on the stage and introduce Dr. M.A. Salim, an officer in the Indian Police Service.
Okay, let's keep
Yeah, good morning, respected dignitaries, morning after dayas, resource persons, faculty members, and students. Today we have gathered here for inaugural ceremony of the workshop on cyber security, public policy, and law. On this occasion, I take the privilege of introducing guest of honor of today's function, Dr. M.A. Salim, IPS, Director General of Police, CID, Economic Offences and Special Units Command. Dr. M.A. Salim's illustrious career in Indian Police Service began in 1993, following his selection through the All India Civil Service Examination. His tenure with Karnataka State Police has been marked by creativity and excellence, serving in various capacities across the state. His roles have ranged from Assistant Superintendent of Police in districts like Gulbarga, Kushalnagar, and Sagar to more senior positions such as Commissioner of Police in Mysore, Special Commissioner of Police in Bengaluru. Currently, he holds the esteemed position of Director General of Police at CID Karnataka, where important and sensational cases get investigated. Dr. Salim has pioneered traffic management, introducing numerous innovative practices to enhance road safety and efficiency. His notable contributions include establishing helplines and support system for women, children, and the elderly, the inception of Garuda Police Patrol, the development of a special action force in various districts, and significant advancement in traffic enforcement technology. His efforts have led to the implementation of one-way systems on 122 roads in Bangalore, the introduction of computers for traffic enforcement, and pioneering of citizen participation in projects like Public Eye for traffic rule enforcement. Dr. Salim was decorated with the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Services in 2017, the President's Police Medal for Meritorious Services in 2009, the National Award by Government of India for e-governance for exemplary usage of ICT, a commendation on this by Bureau of Police Research and Development, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India in 2020-21. Dr. Salim is enthusiastic about reading and often spends a lot of time engaged with books. He has also authored a book on traffic management in metropolitan cities and regularly writes articles in leading newspapers on contemporary policing-related issues. Dr. Salim has a Master of Commerce and a doctorate degree in traffic management from Bangalore University. With these words, I present Dr. M.A. Salim, IPS, Director General of Police, CID, Economic Offences and Special Units, Karnataka.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Dr. Shri T.L. Vijay Master, Chief Guest of today's workshop on cybersecurity, public policy and law. Professor J. Mallikarjuna, Principal, KLE Law College. My colleagues in CID, Shri Vanshi Krishna, Shri Venkatesh Murthy, esteemed faculty members, and my dear students. In fact, since you're all students of law, what we want to call you as our future partners in fighting crime or securing the society from criminals. So, first of all, I would like to thank the Ministry of Public Education as well as KLE College of Law for organizing this much needed workshop on cybersecurity and also inviting me to share my thoughts with you. As you are aware, the every facet of human life, or the very objective of human life is to make this world a better place to be. In fact, all our efforts, all our work, whether we study or whether we work, whatever we do in our life, generally it is to make this world a better place to be, and in pursuit of happiness. Because the ultimate aim and goal of every individual is to attain happiness in life. Towards that, human beings have been struggling hard, right from stone ages. There has been a continuous endeavor to ensure that we work hard and make more and more innovations, more and more methods, so that we can have a better life or a much comfortable life. In fact, this journey has been such a long journey for thousands of years that today we have a reasonably good quality of life. In fact, imagine life, say, just about 100 years back or 150 years back. It was not so easy or so comfortable. It is because of somebody's sacrifices, somebody's hard work, somebody has dedicated his life to innovate things that today we are leading a reasonably comfortable life. Today we have AC, air conditioning, auditorium, electricity, everything. Today, in fact, imagine that 100 years back, just to travel from, say, Bengaluru city center or some Pete area to this area, would have taken almost a day. Okay, but today we are just in relations. In fact, we are the distance is so has become so insignificant that today we talk to our relatives, friends across the globe, somebody sitting in Europe or US, or just like as if we are conversing with them face to face. So this is our technological development we have achieved, thanks to our ancestors, thanks to a lot of hardworking individuals. And it is our job, our endeavor now to ensure that we also contribute in such a way that our future generations, the people who are coming next, will have a much better life than what we have today. And that journey is because of the technological advancement. And the technological advancement, particularly last 30 to 40 years, as you see, is very rapid. And I think you are aware of the digitization and the enormous technology in the form of internet and other wireless systems which have made our things so fast. And also it has also helped in developing the economies also. In fact, if you see the development of software industry in Karnataka, because Karnataka is the first state in India to start a cyber policy, or I can say the technological policy way back in 1997 itself, when electronic city started off the IT park. And subsequently, because of that, today, almost 64% of our today's India's total software exports is from Karnataka. In fact, out of 80% of the 500 Fortune companies have their innovation centers in Bangalore and in other parts of the state. So we have achieved, you can say, a leading role as far as technological advancements are concerned. So that is the reason why today we have been able to give, you can say, economic prosperity to the people, as well as huge employment opportunities, not only for the people from Karnataka, but from across the country. From across the country today, you can see that Bangalore has become so cosmopolitan today that it provides employment to every corner of the country. People come from even far off places from Northeast also to work in Bangalore because of this technological advancement. Now, when technology has definitely helped us, and it has definitely helped us to improve our life and improve our quality of life. But at the same time, there is a critical side. It also has led to the menace of cybercrime. I think most of you may be aware of cybercrime. I think some of you might have even experienced phishing or data theft or credit card, debit card frauds, banking frauds, financial frauds. Anybody, that's I want to ask you the question here. Anybody has experience or have seen your relatives, your friends having experienced cybercrime? I think so many people, almost all, sir, mentioning almost all. So, it's very, because everybody is vulnerable. Present time, everybody is vulnerable because today we are using technology in every transaction today. Our particular banking transactions are mostly through technology. That is the reason why today we are more vulnerable compared to even the, I can say the form or the characteristics of crime also has changed during the last decade. In fact, earlier, used crime means it used to be physical crimes like robbery, dacoity, theft, burglary. These were the common forms of the crimes which used to happen. But today, for criminals also, they are no longer, I can say, they are no longer profitable. They are very risky and they are no longer profitable. If you do the cost benefit analysis, it is, I think, it is very negative for criminals. In fact, just a few years back, I had chain snatching had happened in my system. When chain snatching, an old lady was just sweeping the in front of her house in Mysore city, and two fellows in a bike. They came down and they just snatched the chains, earring, and they just went off. And the case was started investigating the case. Next day, at the same time, same two fellows, they came back to the same place of offense where the old lady was sleeping. She was sleeping only in the morning. So they threw the chain back to her. Okay, saying that what kind of lady you are wearing a duplicate chain. And imagine the fellow has been so much risky, they have to do so much preparations, they have to do right. And finally, what they get is just 200 rupees worth so this is the, I can say, the characteristic of crimes which should happen earlier. Even for burglaries also, today, if a man has to burgle a house, he has to do a lot of hard work. He has to go and search the houses, to do everything. Then find a locked house, some little night with his implements, and then go inside. And there is a risk that there will be a CCTV camera in houses. And even if there is no CCTV camera, there will be a possibility that nothing can be found in the house. All efforts will go unreached. So that is the reason today the bodily offences or the physical offences are coming down. Whereas the cyber crime is much easier. It is for any criminal for that matter, it is not easier. Just have a phone, just one mobile phone is more than enough. And sitting somewhere sitting somewhere in some area in the country or outside the country also, they can commit crime. And today the can say the expertise with which people are doing crime is such that today we have reached the advanced stage where we call, I think you might have heard about this FedEx and dry cases, where people are so much blackmailed that there is something called as digital arrest. Some people will be so much harassed and so much pressure is put on a person psychologically that he is compelled not only to give away his hard-earned money, but also to a large extent have the I guess mental traumas to a large extent. So these are the, you can say, different forms of crime, which is basically a result of technological advancement and technological development is happening. In fact, since Karnataka is forefront in technology, we are also forefront in cyber crimes. In fact, last year in 2023, the total number of cases booked under cybercrime laws are 22,000. It's barely 22,000. It is almost 28% of the total crimes which are in. That is the reason every gathering we go, we ask people having experience, there will be, I can say, almost 56% people have experience, either the benefits are the relatives or any other person in the families. So that is a challenge as far as the law enforcement agencies are concerned. And since you're all going to be in the law enforcement or in a smart of criminal justice system, it is a major challenge for you in days to come when you pass out of the products of this great college and come out to fight crime. So this is going to be a great challenge. And again, Karnataka having understood the balance pretty early, we started our first cyber crime police station way back in 2000. It was the first cyber crime police station in the entire country, which was established in Bangalore, CAD. And subsequently, we have now 43 cyber crime police stations across the state in every. And apart from investigating the cases, we have also gone for capacity building of our officers. Because these detection and investigation of these crimes and require special skills and special knowledge. This special skills and special knowledge is important and imbibed in the officer. It's very difficult because it is said that the law enforcement agencies are the police officers should be little ahead of criminals. Their intelligence, their methodology, their expertise should be little ahead of criminals, unless it is difficult to track and detect those cases. Even today, we are not very having a satisfactory detection or investigation of cases. But to a large extent, now we have equipped our officers with CCIDR, that is the cybercrime investigation, training and research center is open in CID, which trains police officers, the members of judiciary and prosecutors. Today, we have very good pool of experienced investigation officers who have expertise in detecting and investigating the cyber crimes. So I think this on one part, the criminal investigation and knowledge sharing happening. On the other side, we also need to have awareness activities. Because people should also be made aware of the dangers of cyber crimes and cyber criminals. Because what happens, anybody can become potential victim of cyber crime. So, giving awareness, making people aware how to combat this cyber crime and how to protect themselves is a challenge. I think seminars and workshops such as this will definitely go a long way in giving such awareness programs for citizens to protect themselves and to a large extent to ensure that the cyber criminals do not have aid and do not make the criminal citizens victims of crime. So with this, I once again compliment our Community Secretary, Shri Master Sir, and Shri Mallikarjuna for organizing this seminar, and we have good experts in the field who will be dwelling on this subject and also will be giving proper insight into the entire ecosystem of cyber world. So I hope that this will be useful, and at the end of the day, when we go back, we will have a lot of carry other things, so that not only make yourself safe, but also can make the society also safer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. M.S. Sethi, for sharing your wealth and experience of knowledge with us. Your unique perspective on challenges were definitely an eye-opening. Your words of wisdom and guidance will undoubtedly resonate with us, with all of us as we strive to contribute positively to society and uphold the world. On behalf of everyone present, I extend our sincere appreciation for the enlightened discourse and inspiration. I would like to extend an invitation to Mr. Pradeep Ramesh from 3rd BA LLB to come up on stage and introduce Mr. P.M. Vijay Bhaskar, retired officer from the
Going to one of present here, I'm delighted to introduce our chief guest, Shri P.M. Vijay Bhaskar, who has warmly accepted our invitation to join us today. Shri P.M. Vijay Bhaskar is from BENGALURU and has a master's in economics from the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, India, and an MBA in public sector from the University of Birmingham, UK. He joined the Indian Administrative Service in Karnataka Cadre in 1983 and served for 37 years in various capacities in Government of Karnataka and Government of India. In these 37 years, he worked in various capacities in district administration, education administration, rural development, and coordination and posts in Government of India and Government of Karnataka. He retired in December 2020 after 2.5 years of service as Chief Secretary to Government of Karnataka, senior most official in state administration, and responsible for coordination and overseeing all departments of state government. Shri P.M. Vijay Bhaskar served as Chairperson of Karnataka Administrative Reforms Commission from January 2021 to December 2023. The Commission submitted 7 reports to the Government of Karnataka. He is the current Chairman of Karnataka Regional Branch of Indian Institute of Public Administration. With that, I request Shri P.M. Vijay Bhaskar, who is also one of our organizing heads, to address our distinguished audience.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ J.M. Mallikarjunaya, Principal of the College, Sri Vanshu Krishna, DIG, CID, Sri Venkatesh Murthy, and Data Science Council of India, Vice Principal, faculty, my colleagues from IIT Bengaluru, and dear students. Today, this is the second such program that IIPA Karnataka Regional Branch has organized in KLE Law College. Some of you may remember that we had a lecture by Mr. Megri, retired DGP of Police, on prison reforms, which was very well received. So this is the second program that we are organizing here. IIPA is Indian Institute of Public Administration. So some of you may have heard of it. The headquarters is in Delhi, and each state has got a regional branch. The IIPA was established in 1954 by Government of India. And I don't know if any of you know who the first president of IIPA was. The first president of IIPA was our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So he was president of IIPA for nearly 10 years, from 1954 to 1964. And IIPA has a major role in training of civil servants. In Karnataka, our Karnataka Regional Branch has done human service since 1957 in generating awareness about public policy, public administration among the general public and among the students. We have entered into a number of MOUs with educational institutions, and we wish to act as a bridge between public administrators and the public and academicians, the students. We got a request from KLE Law College to organize this workshop on cyber security, because many students are victims of cyber security, and cyber laws are going to become more and more important. As Dr. Salim said, a major part of the number of crimes being committed is increasingly in the category of cyber crimes. So therefore, for all law students, I think this is a very good introduction, very good program to know about various facets of cyber security, policy and law in this respect. I am thankful to Dr. Salim, the DGP CID, for agreeing to come and also for sending his able officers, Sri Vamsi Krishna and Sri Venkatesh Murthy, to this workshop for giving their lectures on cyber security. IAPA had organized one workshop on cyber security in February. Some of you were also there. It was very well received and it was very well covered in the press. More and more awareness is required about cyber security. We read about even former police officers, former retired IAS officers, retired even people working in the software industry, retired bank officials who are becoming victims of cyber crimes. And therefore, no one is exempt. No one can say that, oh, I am very safe, I will not become a victim. Because as we will learn from both our speakers today, these criminals have vast experience. They have huge, they are probably the best psychologists that we can think of. So they can all teach us about psychology, about how to entrap people. So therefore, all of us will benefit from this workshop, especially since we are law students. Karnataka had a regulation on cyber laws, because since there are so many developing fields of cyber crime, it's difficult for the state to keep up with this. Karnataka had enacted a law on online gambling. So many students fall victim to online gambling. This may be in the form of cricket betting or such things. And students also committed suicide because they lost money this very badly. So therefore, this law was enacted, but again, the adverse order from the courts, and again, Government of India has enacted some regulations, and now probably state government is again considering enacting such a law. So this is also a very important area for crafting new regulations and laws. And this is an area where law professors and law universities can help the state government. You are all Generation Z, the internet-enabled generation. You all probably have born after 1997, when the internet first swept the world, and therefore now you are all this Generation Z. You are the ones who are also taking this forward. Many of the people who are actually directing cyber crimes are also belong to this generation. Many of the victims also come to this generation. And it is very nice that we have been able to organize this workshop here. I'm very happy to see good attendance here, thanks to the university and the law college principal and vice principal. So without further ado, I would end my speech here and thank all of you once again, and especially Dr. Salim, Sri Vamsi Krishna and Sri Venkatesh Murthy for agreeing to come and give us this knowledge, benefit of their knowledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. T.N. Vijay Bhaskar, for brief.
us with your presence and sharing your invaluable insights with us. Your distinguished career in law enforcement has left an indelible mark on the landscape of public safety and security in our country. Your commitment to excellence and integrity serves positively to society. Once again, thank you, Dr. T.M. Vijay Bhaskar, sir, for your enlightening presence and your invaluable contributions to this gathering. Today, as we come together to formalize a memorandum of understanding, also known as MOU, with National Degree College, Baswantpuri. The signing of this MOU signifies a commitment to collaboration, partnership, and mutual growth. The significance of this MOU cannot be overstated, and expertise between our two esteemed institutions. Through this partnership, we aim to foster academic excellence, promote research and innovations, and create opportunities for the holistic development of our students. It is in my honor to invite our esteemed principal, Professor Dr. J.M. Mallikarjunayya, to sign the esteemed Vice Principal, Dr. Anita M.J., and IQSC Coordinator, Dr. Manoj Kumar V. Hireman, whose dedication to qualify assurance and enhancement has been pivotal in shaping our institution's academic landscape. Furthermore, I extend a warm welcome to the representative from National Degree College, Baswantpuri, Dr. Padmavati, Associate Professor of Political Science and Gandhian Studies. Your presence here highlights the spirit of collaboration and partnership that defines this occasion. I also extend a warm invitation to all the dignitaries, resource persons, and esteemed guests present here today to witness this historic moment. Together, let us come forward to sign this MOU, symbolizing our shared commitment to excellence, innovation, and holistic development of our students. It is in my distinct honor and privilege to invite Professor Dr. J. Mallikarjunayya, Dean, Faculty of Law, KLE Technological University, Principal, KLE Law College, Bengaluru, to deliver the President's address for this gathering. Before that, sir, two words on your behalf. Professor Dr. Mallikarjunayya's visionary leadership has been instrumental in guiding our institution towards.
Thank you.
Yes.
Distinguished chief guest of today's program, Mr. Vijay Bhaskar, and distinguished guest speakers for the day, Ms. Vamsi Krishna, Ms. Venkatesh Murthy, Dr. Shalija Shastri, my dear colleagues, and my dear student friends. At the outset, I express my deepest gratitude to IIPA Karnataka Division for collaborating with us continuously to organize sensitization programs, awareness programs on the matters that are compelling need of the society regularly. My sincere gratitude to you for joining us on this occasion. Secondly, almost all of you have heard the glory and the historical path of National College, Bengaluru, for the kind of leaders the institution has produced, kind of vision the institution has given to its graduates. Today is an epoch-making day in the history of KLE Law College, Bengaluru, by signing MOU with such great institution. And I also express my gratitude to the principal and all the staff members of National College for agreeing to sign the MOU with KLE Law College, and we look forward to harness the opportunity for the mutual growth as we go ahead. Coming to today's theme, cybersecurity, public policy, and law. It's all in your knowledge that always advancements in science and technology had profound boon and bane. Boon and bane of the advanced technologies are always proportionate. Higher the boon, higher the bane with the scientific advancements. I'm not talking about greatest scientific advancements of AI and ML alone. The scientific advancement of invention of fire itself had the flip side of it. Thus, the point to be remembered is all scientific advancements always had the flip side of it. Let me not talk only of the flip side of scientific advancements. If I have to talk about the way these scientific advancements have helped blossoming of the personality of individuals in the society. Profound impact these scientific advancements, the personality and in shaping humanity, there is no doubt about it. So the wisdom does not lie in arresting the scientific advancements. Wisdom does not lie in curbing the scientific advancements. Wisdom lies in encouraging scientific advancements and trying to arrest the tendency to misuse the scientific advancements. Today's technological advancements, especially in the area of information technology. As I said already, has tremendous advantages in shaping the personality of us. It also has a tremendous vulnerability for the ill effects of it, like the cybersecurity threats that we pose to. When Dr. Salim was cybersecurity threats, a lot of hands were raised, and I was telling almost all of us, such is the vulnerability of this technology that has become so universal. It has occupied the space around you, space in you, and thus each of us have a cybersecurity threats. And it is very part and meaningful. First of all, like anyone else in the society, you have a vulnerability and you are the victims, you are likely to be the victims. Secondly, as Dr. Salim was very fondly